Welcome to online classes. I am here in the second recording to explain the remaining part of page number 19 of the story A Bottle of Dew, Unit 3. Before explanation, I will refer some sentences as a continuation. You have to collect the dew and store it in a bottle. When you have 5 liters of dew, bring it to me. I will chant a sacred mantra which will turn it into the magic potion. A drop of this potion will transform any object into gold. Ramanatha was worried, but winter is only for a few months. It will take me years to collect 5 liters of dew. You can plant as many banana plants as you want, but remember, you must look after them yourself and collect the dew with your own hands. Ramanatha went home and after talking to his wife started cleaning his large field which had been lying empty all these years. There he planted rows and rows of banana plants. He tended them carefully and during the winter months collected the dew that formed on them with great care. His wife helped him too. Now start from next. Madhumati gathered the banana crop, took it to the market and got a good price for it. Madhumati, explanation 1. Madhumati collected the banana crop and she took the crops in the market and she got a good price for the crop. Explanation 2. Madhumati supervised each banana plants and accumulated the banana crops and she brought to the market and she got good price in exchange of the crop. Explanation 3. Madhumati watched each plants and collected the banana crops and brought the crops in the market and after selling she got good price of it. Now from book. Over the years Ramanatha planted more and more banana plants and they had a huge banana plantation. Explanation 1. Within a years Ramanatha seeded more and more banana plant and they had a vast banana farm. Explanation 2. Within years Ramanatha sown more and more banana plants and the huge land converted into a large banana estate. Explanation 3. Within years, Ramanatha cultivated more and more baby banana plant. Ultimately, the massive land resulted as a vast banana grove. Now from book. After 6 years, he finally had his 5 liters of dew. Explanation 1. After 6 years, finally Ramanatha had collected 5 liters of dew. Explanation 2. After successful 6 years, finally Ramanatha had 5 liters of dew. Explanation 3. Ramanatha finally achieved the target. After 6 years, he had 5 liters of dew. Now from book. Carefully he took the bottle to the sage. After collecting the 5 liters of dew, after 6 years, Ramanatha cautiously took the 5 liters dew bottle to Mahipati, the wise man. Explanation 2. Within 6 years, Ramanatha fetched 5 liters of dew, and preciously he took the 5 liters dew bottle to the learned man Mahipati. Explanation 3. Ramanatha achieved his target. Within 6 years, he accumulated 5 liters of dew, and the same he took deliberately to the knowledgeable man Mahipati. Now from book. The sage smiled and muttered a mantra over the water. The very learned person Mahipati grinned and murmured a mantra over the water. Explanation 2. The wise man Mahipati beamed and mumbled a mantra over the water. Explanation 3. The knowledgeable man Mahipati smiled and uttered a mantra over the water. Then from book. Then he returned the bottle and said, Try it out. Explanation 1. Then Mahipati handed over the bottle to Ramanatha, and he told Ramanatha he could try it then. Explanation 2. Then Mahipati gave back the bottle to Ramanatha, and he advised him to try it then. Explanation 3. Then Mahipati transferred the bottle to Ramanatha and asked him to try then. And now I will give you some words meaning, that is 11 words to search out the meaning, and opposite words 10 numbers. So you have to write in your fair copy. Rough copy shall not be entertained here, and when the school will open, I will check your homework. Please put the date on the top of the homework copy. Now start. I am telling the words. 1. That is for words meaning. You have to search out the meaning of the words. Number 1, worried. Number 2, remember. Number 3, look after. 4, collect. 5, started. 6, empty. 7, rose, ROWS, rose. 8, tended. 9, carefully. 10, gathered. 11, huge. 12, metered. 12 words is here, so you have to search out the meaning. Now again you write the words, you have to search out the opposite of these words. Number 1, worried. 2, remember. 3, few. 4, empty. 5, collect. 6, tended. 7, great. 8. Huge. 9. Carefully. 10. Returned. These are the words. That is total 10 words to search out opposite word and 12 words for word meaning. Now I will hold this page for you so that you can take the snap of this page and check out whether you have written any wrong words or any avoid spelling mistake. Please. Hope you have taken the snapshot of this page. Your lesson for this day is over.